Today I'm going to show you how to do a 3 over 2 over 3 left cross and a 3 over 2 over 3 right cross. Both of these cables are used in my Uinta sweater pattern, and the yarn that I'm using today is June Cashmere Fingering Weight, and this is the color Moss. So let's do the 3 over 2 over 3 left cross first. The first thing you'll do is slip 5 stitches to your cable needle. And because this is a left cross, we are going to hold our cable needle to the front. Next, we will knit 3 stitches from our left needle. Then we're going to slip the last 2 stitches on our cable needle back to our left needle. And we will knit those. And the last step is to knit the 3 stitches that are left on our cable needle. And that is how you do the 3 over 2 over 3 left cross. Now I'm going to show you how to do a 3 over 2 over 3 right cross. The first step is the same as the left cross. You're going to slip 5 stitches onto your cable needle. But this time you're going to hold it to the back of your work. And then you'll knit 3 from your left needle. And then we're going to slip these last 2 stitches from our cable needle to our left needle. And then we will knit those. And now the last step is to knit the 3 stitches from our cable needle. And that's it. That's how you do a 3 over 2 over 3 left cross and right cross.